Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than a minute, so I'll pause the recording software for now, and I will be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, going to go for a put here at 37.50. I'm looking to do options. We're not looking to do, I am doing options. I'm looking to get filled. So I am doing options. Again, I'm at 37.50. Want to see this number come up to 37.50 and go slightly below. Then I want this white order down here to turn green. That would mean that I got filled. Well, I'm going to cancel that out because I don't like how it's just sitting there and not moving. So I think I can get a slightly better entry point. Let's try 37. So you saw 37.50 show up right there, which was my order, but just because it shows up doesn't mean it gets filled. It's got to actually technically drop slightly below it, which would mean that I'm filled. And like I was saying, that order right there would turn to, from white to green. So bummer. I basically nailed, well, I didn't nail it because I didn't get filled, but I was right in that general area and it didn't fill me. Didn't quite come up just enough. Now, if you have no idea what options are, comment below option guide and I'll link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through how they work, terminologies, all that good stuff. Don't be intimidated. I know sometimes people are intimidated by options. They don't need to be, complicated. Some people make them very complicated, but they don't need to be. I approach them in a more simple way. So if that's how you like to approach things, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So like I said, just comment below option guide and I will link you to that. So all right, I will go ahead and pause for now. All right, I have an order at 37.70 now. In there at 37.70. So let's see what it wants to do here. Out there for $80. So $80, I don't know, what was that? Maybe 15 seconds? I'll take it. So good start to the morning. I'll go ahead and pause. Whoops, I am in. I missed the, sorry, I went into freak out mode there. I got, so $50, okay. I threw out an order, it was white, and then I went to text somebody, and then I looked back and I was filled. And like I said, I don't like that feeling when I was like, wait, what was the plan? And you just lose focus. My mind went to another place. I sort of forgot I put the order out there. So I just got out, and yes, in hindsight, could have, gotten up over, that could have been $100 easily, but like I said, no shame there. Went in a freak out mode. I don't know if you react the same, if you're you forget about an order or you kind of turn away, you lose focus, you get distracted. Even if it's, for me at least, a few seconds, then you look and you're filled. Like I said, maybe you can regain your composure very, very quickly. For me, that's not the case. I wanted to just hop out quickly because yeah, that's kind of how my mind works. All right, I need to potentially look here for, okay, 39.50. Let's see if I can get that. All right, I will pause. I think I captured the exit point though. Yeah, if I remember right, I captured. So apologize that I missed the entry point, but at least you saw the freak out moment of me just getting right out. So I'll pause. Have an order at 41.50. Looks like I might be able to get 41.20. Every little bit helps. In there for a put at 41.20 and out for $50 on that one. Very good. Let's go to 39.20 now in case this thing wants to come up some more. So I'm now at 39.20. I will go ahead and pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 37.70. Okay, got to go down to 36.70 now. Okay, I'm at 36.70. I will pause. I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, maybe here. Okay. I'm just being extra cautious with my entry point. Yeah, there we go, 35.70. I like that. So we'll see if this thing wants to pull back just a bit more. All right, I'll pause. I'll keep it going here. I think I was on best bid for a brief second before it bounced. Because of that, I'm going to change strike prices here. And if you have no idea what I mean by strike price, just comment below. Guide or option guide, and I will link that to you. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 41.50. Nope. I'm not being patient at that one. Might have been a good entry. No, yep, glad I did that. Potentially 41 here though. All right, I'll pause. Did I even hit record on that one? Let's make sure. Yep. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 39.50. Like 39.20 might be a more ideal spot. All right, I'll keep a close eye on it, see if it wants to pop up there and fill me. I'll pause. Have an order. Whoa, that was fast. Holy smokes, I don't know if I caught that on video or not. I know I got the exit out, but that happened literally in the blink of an eye. So you may have to scroll back and you'll have to watch. I think I captured it all on video. It just happened super quick. So if you scroll back, you'll notice that was white for just a brief moment, turned green, meaning I was able to buy. And then that went, white to green in a blink of an eye too for another $50. So very, very nice. Sorry I missed it, but at the same time, I need to stop talking to potentially look for another one here. Let's go 34.50 if this thing wants to make another plunge to the downside. I'll go ahead and pause. Well, I'm going to go ahead and call it good. My time at computer was probably maybe an hour at most today. We had some things going on around here. So I was needing help with that. So have not been at my computer at all anywhere close to it because it's 11:45. So market's been open over 2 hours. But like I said, my time invested in front of my computer, very, very minimal. And an hour, I think, is even probably stretching it. But we'll just call it an hour. Up 230 with commissions, we'll call it 220. So yeah, $220 in an hour working from home. And this is just one of many streams of income as a side hustle. I'm very happy with that. I am no greedy goblin savage. So that's all I have for you. If you are looking for additional streams of income, looking for a side hustle, then check out my site, claytrader.com. There's a lot of good stuff there. I do offer a community too, which you can learn more about at the site itself. But that's all it is. So I will take it. The 1 hour side hustle here. For $220. Very happy, very pleased with that. That's all I have. If you enjoy these, hit that like button, leave a comment below. And again, check out the site, claytrader.com. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.